Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, let's take a closer look at a waterproof shutter remote, which is the official remote control from GoPro. With the help of this accessory guys, you can use your GoPro camera from a distance. So if your camera is too far away from you and you still want to start a video or take a photo without physically touching the shutter button, then this accessory in here is exactly for you. So what comes in the package is a very simple remote control with a big shutter button to control your camera. It's impossible to misclick it even if you wear some gloves. You also get two separate pieces of pretty short Velcro straps that can be used to wear the remote control around your wrist. And there's also a removable coin battery that's already installed in the remote control. This battery is not rechargeable but can be easily replaced. So this remote control guys is so simple to use. You only have like one simple button to control your camera with it. Once you press on it, notice that I started recording a video. And there's a small LED light which indicates that your GoPro is currently recording. Press on it again and it's gonna stop it. As simple as that. Now on the side of the remote control there is a small power button, and when you press on it, it will turn on itself and your GoPro at the same time. So let's press on it. Now press on the power button again and it will turn off the camera and the remote control at the same time. This way you can save up the battery when you're not recording anything. In the package, you have two pretty short and separate Velcro straps, and you can use only one of them to attach it to your selfie stick, handlebars, etc., just to keep your hands free.
The wheel is there. The wheel.
Let's take a look. I noticed that you cannot change between the different modes. So if you want to go from video to photo mode, then you have to do it on the camera. You can also connect two of them and it's gonna be wide enough to wrap it around your wrist. So, according to GoPro, the maximum operating range of this remote control is around 20 meters with no obstructions. So, let's test it. 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna be like 10 meters away from the camera. Start recording. Stop recording. Power off. So let's go like 10 meters away. 11, 12, 20. Start recording. I don't hear anything. Try again. Actually, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Okay, I got now red LED light. So it seems like I'm recording. Let's stop. Let's power off. I have no idea whether I'm recording or not. Obviously, you don't have to be like 20 meters away from your camera to record with your GoPro, but it's good if you have a reliable signal. And lastly, this remote control is fully waterproof up to 5 meters. So you don't have to worry about it in any water sport activities, if it's raining, or even if you drop it in the snow or something. So, as I said before, it's a very simple remote control. And because there is no screen on it, you cannot say which mode you are currently recording with. So, whether you are in video or photo mode, you cannot tell it. So, there might be a chance that accidentally you selected time-lapse mode and you're recording time-lapse instead of recording a video. So, it's always best to double check it. You know, for example, with a more expensive remote control from GoPro, you could just check your resolution, frame rates, field of view, or even what camera you're connected to. So this remote control is more basic. Just press the record button, get the shot, power it off, that's basically it. But honestly, in most case scenario, that's everything that you're actually gonna need, and I like it that they keep it simple. Alright guys, so this is basically everything that waterproof shutter remote control from GoPro has to offer. Now, this accessory costs around $50 if you get it on a retail shop. However, if you are a GoPro subscriber, you can get it slightly cheaper for like $40 on official GoPro website. So, according to the information on the package, this remote control gonna be fully compatible with GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 11 mini and Hero 10 Black. Just make sure that you update your camera to the latest firmware. So if you have any questions regarding this particular accessory, don't hesitate and ask about it in the comment section below. If you found some value in my videos and you learned something from it, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. This way you support my channel by a lot. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next video.